Moving on to a breaking update coming in, where the Mumbai Sessions Court has extended the judicial custody of Riya and Shouvik Chakrabarti and others till the 20th of October. It's a 14-day extension that has been granted by the Mumbai Sessions Court on this matter, where the NCB is probing the drug angle, and it's been over a month long of jail that Riya Chakrabarti and Shouvik Chakrabarti right after their arrest that happened. So 14 more days extension that has been granted by the Sessions Court in Mumbai to Riya and Shouvik Chakrabarti. Aishwarya is with us giving us more details. So it's a 14-day extension with their judicial remand that has been extended by the court there in Mumbai.
Well, absolutely. At this point of time, we are being told that the Mumbai Sessions Court has clearly extended the judicial custody of Riya Chakrabarti and also the brother Shouvik Chakrabarti and the others till the 20th of October. And this is happening because the agencies have clearly mentioned that they still need to know a lot of information. They have also specified in regard to two individuals, we are getting those names, that they are not cooperating with the agency, and hence they would want the further judicial custody, and the court has granted it, keeping in mind the sensitivity of the matter. And then basically, as we speak, while they have been in the judicial custody, there have been several raids. So what the agency has clearly stated in the front of the judge in the court, that on the basis of information which they are being able to gather through their interrogation in the judicial custody, that is active input, means action is being taken upon it, raids are being conducted, and then contraband drugs are being basically recovered. So the active information, the information which they are able to recover from them in judicial custody is actionable, and that is something which is very, very important for the NCB in this regard to crack for their whole bust on the drug nexus and then their connect to the Bollywood. So all of this is happening as we speak, and then the judicial custody has been extended.
Aishwarya, thanks very much for the update. We also have Piyush joining us with another update over the extension that has been now granted. 14-day extension. Piyush, what is the line that was taken by the NCB demanding for extra custody of both Riya and Shouvik Chakrabarti and the others too who have been in the custody till now?
Well, you would remember that while opposing the bail plea also of Riya Chakrabarti, and the NCB had mentioned about the fact that she is part of Riya Chakrabarti and Shouvik Chakrabarti are part of bigger drug nexus and bigger cartel which is prevailing in Bollywood, and that's why the bail needs to be rejected. And today also during the arguments he mentioned this. And today also during the arguments he mentioned the same. But also let us remind to our viewers that there are two important cases going on. One is about the judicial custody being extended or not, which has been extended till October 20. Another is on the bail plea of Riya Chakrabarti. In that particular bail plea, she is now appealing that she should be set free. But on the other side, NCB is saying that she is part of bigger nexus, and if she comes out, then she will alert the other people also. Also on the information given by the drug peddlers and many other people who are very close to Riya Chakrabarti, NCB is continuously raiding many places in Mumbai, Goa and many other parts of Delhi also, and they are connecting dots and trying to expose the kingpin who is there in the Bollywood. We know that on these information, those were collected from drug peddlers, and Kshitij Ravi Prasad was arrested, and also we saw that how massive drama had unfolded outside NCB SIT office when Deepika Padukone, Shraddha Kapoor, Sara Ali Khan, they were also summoned. So everyone's link is coming out after the kind of Starling revelations those are being made by these drug peddlers, because initially they were picked up, arrested, and then Shouvik, Riya and Samil Miranda, Dipesh Sawant, people are very close to Riya Chakrabarti, even they were arrested. Also, let us also remind to our viewers that there are serious allegations on Riya Chakrabarti that she was not only selling but also procuring drugs. The NCB has also claimed that not only she, Shouvik Chakrabarti used to ask Dipesh Sawant and Dipesh to Samil Miranda, and there was a bigger nexus which was working, and many amount of drugs have also been seized during the entire raids which have been conducted by NCB. So the biggest breaking which we are picking is that Riya Chakrabarti's JC has now been extended till October 20. Till the time, while she is in jail, she will again appeal for bail, is what we are learning. But now she has again been sent for
14 days judicial custody. We know that many drug peddlers have already been arrested, and more information are being sought on the kind of drugs those are being raids those are being conducted by narcotics control.
The CBI investigation also picking up in its second phase, and if you look at the custody to judicial remand of Riya and Shouvik Chakrabarti, well, they have to remain in jail for 14 more days as their custody has now been extended by the Sessions Court in Mumbai till the 20th of this month. Piyush, thanks very much.